everyone, this is Jeannie Marie with Artistic Pours and More. Today I'm doing two challenges. The Pouring in Harmony challenge for the week, the weekly challenge. And we're going to be attempting the Spiral Rose inspired by Fiona. And then the other challenge we're doing is the hashtag YT100 100 Pours in 100 Days challenge. So this is day 18 of the YT100 challenge and the weekly challenge for Pouring in Harmony. I'm using, first of all, let me get my gloves on. I've already layered some white, Master's Touch white down, and I'm using a Master's Touch 10 by 10 panel that I have attached sticks to on the back so that it would be easier for me to pull up away from the paint. So what I believe, this is my first attempt at this spiral flower, so bear with me here. I'm going to be using a Liquitex Naples Yellow. Now all my paints, except for my base paints, are mixed with Floetrol glue all and either GAC 800 or Liquitex pouring medium, and a little silicone or dimethicone or both. And this gold is actually my mica gold that I mixed with Floetrol. I love it. Now I'm going to go to my own personal red purple that I make, which I make out of Master's Touch colors. I'm just going to put a row all the way around the white. Then I'm going with Rouge from Master's Touch. You know what? I think I'm going to switch up. I'm going to go with the light purple around there. Oh no, that's not going to turn out right. Uh-oh, I've already messed it up. We'll see. Let me get that red purple again because some of that is not showing. I think I have too much of that white down there. Alright, now I'm going to go with the Rouge. Just nice little circle around here. Just like that. And then the light magenta. These are my favorite go-to colors. I love purples and pinks. Of course, I love autumn colors too, and teals and blues. So, I don't know. I'm going to go to the violet now. Actually, let me put a little real white in there. Not that I need a whole lot of extra white, but I am going to put a little white right there. Now the violet purple. And this is the regular purple from Master's Touch. And then the light purple from Master's Touch. Not much difference there. No contrast, much contrast anyway. I'm going to go with the Rouge again. Here, trying to keep this in a circle. And again with the light magenta. And then I'm probably going to do one more of the violet. I love the violet. So let's see what we get. Looks like I'm going to have to put a little bit more violet there. There we go. Alright. I think we've got enough paint. Hope y'all can see it. I'm going to take my canvas down and I'm just going to push it down in there. Just flatten it out press it down a little. Can't do exactly what she did because she used the canvas and she rubbed here and then pushed out like that. I don't think that's gonna work. So I think what I'm gonna do now is just lift it up, straight up, see what we end up with. I've taped down my paper. Ooh, it's not really a flower, but sure is pretty. Could be a flower if it wasn't for that. It's pretty though. I like it. It's really pretty. That came out very pretty. It's pretty. I think I better leave it alone while I'm ahead. I think I'm ahead. I don't know. It's pretty, even if it doesn't look like a flower. I like it a lot. All right. Well, I hope everybody got to see that okay. It's definitely not as good as Fiona's, but it's still pretty. So thank you, Fiona, for inspiring us all. You make such beautiful art. So join me tomorrow for a new video. I might even do something with this down here. I'm not sure. Maybe some tiles. I love doing tiles. So we'll see you soon. God bless, be safe, and be happy. Bye-bye now.